My phone did crash just now. I'm thinking that I need to go ahead and reboot my phone before I get started on any kind of stream. So I'm going to have to set up my stream again, title and all that fun stuff. And I probably need to end the other one. Stop streaming. That way there's no confusion. Everything will be the same. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to discuss what the website's about. Not the website, this channel. Which I should do at the beginning of every stream, because you don't know if people are watching just the replays and they're just going straight to this video. Without seeing 12, they go straight to 12.1. So this stream is about at-home business, making money online, and building web presence, which can be used whether you have an at-home business, you're helping a business become more successful, a local business. Web presence is always going to be very important. It's a great way to leverage your leverage the web. Okay, so that's all done. So I was able to do that more quickly this time, which is kind of cool. Let's leave that. Alright, so this is the last email I've got from multi-affiliate. And it's basically talking about the websites, right? Today I want to give you a quick discussion about websites. If you're familiar with the power of a website, I want you to hone in on your benefits of having a website. Every successful business online has a website, plain and simple. It is the foundation of your business. It is where you will be generating traffic, building relationships with people, building followings, building a brand, and generating revenue. A lot of people build websites and then they leave it. So you have a static website sitting out there doing nothing for nobody. It's going to have very little to no web presence whatsoever. But if you can create something that's alive, put out periodic content, allow people to participate with comments, giving you feedback, thumbs up, thumbs down, your web presence will be so much greater than it could be with a static website. As a matter of fact, some people might even think your business has gone out of business if your website hasn't changed in the last 10 years. We have made our website platform at Wealthy Affiliate one of the main focuses. It is important to have access to a platform that you can trust, that is efficient, that is progressive in terms of technology and overall security. If you're hiring somebody to do all this stuff for you, you're just hoping and praying that they give you the security that you need. You don't want your site to be down, especially if you need it to do business transactions. If your clients need that website in order to do business with you. Or if you lose that website, you're going to lose business. These guys, they have all the cutting edge information, resources that are applied to cutting edge websites. They're doing things that large corporations can't do because they're too big. They're too bulky. They have too much. There's too much red tape you have to go through in order to implement some of these things. These guys, well, I mean, because you're a small business, because you're at least a small website, because you're doing all this stuff yourself, you're going to be able to apply the latest and greatest technology immediately. That is what you will come to expect with Site Rubics, which is their platform, at Wealthy Affiliates, including your back office. We have truly taken the website creation, building, and management process next level. Websites you build at Wealthy Affiliates. Using WordPress, optimized for speed, security, protection from spam and hackers, ready to succeed in any niche. Hosted at our state-of-the-art lightning speed hosting platform. They come pre-installed with the most important plugins, features, enhancements. I don't think it'd be overemphasized how there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes that specialists are dealing with that you're going to leverage because you don't have to deal with any of that stuff or most of it. So that you can just focus on building the sites. And you should be able to get to the point where you're building a site a week if you really wanted to. Optimized. Beautifully designed. You can have 12 themes to choose from as starter, 3,000 as premium. You can get 2 websites for completely free with your starter membership, 50 within premium. If you've got 50 websites, I'm pretty sure you're going to be doing pretty good, especially if you built them to spec. The process of building a website literally takes 30 seconds. I want you to take the opportunity today to test it out for yourself. Today, right now. Create a website in under 30 seconds. Watch the video. Will I do it? I think I want to spend more than 30 seconds on a website, but I might do it anyways, just to kind of give you a demo. Let's see if it does, if it's something I can do within 30 seconds. Now this is going to walk you through the process as I show you live how I create a fully functional WordPress website in a niche of my choice in less than 30 seconds. I think you're going to be amazed as to how easy it is. Build your own niche website in less than 30 seconds. Simply go to your Site Rubics tab within Wealthy Affiliate and you will see the site builder link within the pop-out menu. That is where you will go to build your website when you are ready. We pride ourselves in offering the most robust website platform in the space with many WA features. Now these include site management, a manager, site domain, site health, site comments, site SSL, site content, site images, site email, site support, and more. So you create a domain, right? Like for me, CannCoder.com, and you want an email, joe@CannCoder.com. You want to add people to that because you have people that are in your business that you maybe hire, or they're your partners or friends that are helping you out. You want to add them to your .coder.com. You know, Sarah at CannCoder.com, Jeff at CannCoder.com. They can all have emails, and I do believe that will build up your web presence as well. Not only based on the fact that it's going to have a larger footprint on the internet, but all these people who give out their emails are advertising your website with their emails. As with anything, if you ever have questions about the process of building a website on any aspect of your online business, leave a question within the training comment, or jump in a live chat, and you will have instant access to a community of help. So you get 1 million high quality images, which would cost you a fortune if you were using Adobe, and you would only get to be able to choose like 10 from Adobe a month. Cost you $30 a month through Adobe. I believe that's right. Hell, let's just create a website. Let's see. Let's just do it, right? Am I supposed to be hearing something?
Hey everyone, Kyle here from Wealthy Affiliate. Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of building a website online, and this is using the Site Rubik's platform here at Wealthy Affiliate, which I'm going to be introducing you to, as well as walking you through. It is a state-of-the-art platform that is exclusive to members here at Wealthy Affiliate, both starter and premium members, and you can literally build websites, fully functional WordPress sites on our amazing hosting platform in the matter of less than 30 seconds. So I'm going to be walking you through this process and explaining things in a lot more detail as to how the Site Rubik's platform works and the various features that are related to it.
Accessing the website builder.
Before I can get rolling here, I'm going to show you how to access the Site Rubik's platform, which you're going to be using to build and manage your websites here at Wealthy Affiliate. To access it, you head over to the side menu here. Under the live chat, you're going to see a Site Rubik's button.
By the way, this isn't 30 seconds long, it's 17 minutes, but okay. I think I might just have enough time to do that.
Build your websites here. Simply click that, and it's going to open up the Site Rubik's menu, which has 7 different aspects or features within the overall Site Rubik's product suite.
Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Wealthy Affiliates. I already have it over here. Let's get rid of that. Bring this out.
And if you look, the second item down is the site builder, which is what you're going to be using to build your websites here. As a starter member, you're going to have access to the first 4 features here within the Site Rubik's platform: the site manager, where you manage your sites; the site builder, where you build your sites; site domains, where you can buy and register your domains; site content, which is a writing platform here at Wealthy Affiliate. But these bottom 3 items are going to be premium only, and there's site comments, where you can get engagement on your site as you start to build it out; site feedback, where you can get community feedback on your website as you progress. It's a very awesome platform; and site support, which is our 24/7 365 support, which literally will, our support is always available, and we'll get back to you typically within 5 minutes or less with any requests that you have in related to your website or your hosting and that sort of thing. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click the second button down, Site Builder, click that, and it's going to take me to the same page that I was already on, because I was already on the website builder. And this is a 4-step process. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to walk you through this 4-step process and just show you how efficiently you can build a website. It can literally be done within 30 seconds, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how everything works, and I'm going to explain things in a more thorough way. So obviously I won't be building it within 30 seconds. I want to explain things to you. So when I come back, I'm going to walk you through this actual process here.
So I guess the build in 30 seconds is like clickbait, which is a technique for, you know what? It's what PewDiePie uses to become the #1 guy on YouTube. And he admits it. Clickbait. It works.
The first step of the website builder is going to ask you what kind of website you want to build. there's two options here at Wealthy Affiliate: on a free domain, which is on the .siterubix.com domain, and you have access to 2 of those as a free starter member here at Wealthy Affiliate, and 25 of those as a premium member here. And then you can build websites on domains you own. Say you own your own .com, .org, or you registered a domain here at Wealthy Affiliate, which is part of our service. You can purchase domains. You can host up to 25 of your own domains as a premium member. So as a premium member, you can host up to 50 total domains, and as a starter member, you can create 2 domains on a free domain. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to select on a free domain here, and the second step is going to be choosing a domain name for your website. So this is going to be based on the niche that you've chosen. I am going to just use an example here. Real Deal Affiliate. And if it's available, it's going to tell you to the right here. It's going to show you a check
WA
mark.
CannCoder.
This is a sample domain. Say I wanted to build a website in the affiliate marketing space. Perhaps a boot camp site. This would be a great domain, very brandable. So it's available. So I'm going to move on to the next step. If you choose a domain that's not available, it will acknowledge that here, and then you'll have to choose another domain here, which is completely fine. And then you'll have to come up with something that's unique and that someone else isn't already using here at Wealthy Affiliate. The next step is going to be simply creating a title on your website. So this is the visual title that's going to show up on your website, and it's sort of like the headline of your site. And what you want to do is you want to take your domain name and make it grammatically correct. I usually make everything all uppercase, the first letter uppercase, so you can see the R, the D, the A are all uppercase. But it's as simple as taking your domain and making it the title of your website. The next step is going to be choosing your design for your website. These are also called themes of your website, and as a starter member, you're going to have access to 12 different themes. These are hand-picked and really awesome themes. As a premium member, you're going to have access to over 2,400 themes, 2,462 at the time of me recording this video. So lots of different designs and templates that you can use for the overall look of your website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the theme here, and you can look around at the themes. You can demo, you can make them a favorite, or you can see the details of the theme as well by clicking those buttons below the themes. And then as you hover over each theme, it will show you choose this theme, and you can choose it, and then that is going to complete the process. You can see it acknowledges that I've chosen a theme, nice choice, and then you can also change the look as well if you want to choose a different theme design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that same look, and then I'm going to simply click here to build this site, and I'm going to click that, and this says hold tight, and there's a lot going on behind the scenes. It's setting up your website on the hosting, it's dealing with all the technical issues
database
or aspects of your website. Is setting up things like security, setting up the entire back office, your admin usernames and passwords. So there's all sorts of stuff that's going on behind the scenes to make this happen, so that you don't have to worry about any of these technical elements. I remember when I first built my first...
I wonder if this is what he means by 30 seconds. So right now I have a website. It's wacoder.com. It's fully functional, most likely. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and just go to the website. So I have a website. It's completely built. It's got everything. It's got a place for posts, for comments, archives, categories. The database has been built. So really, he wasn't joking. You can build a website in 30 seconds using this platform.
Website online. It took me over 30 days.
It's official, you're on the World Wide Web. Wow, you've just accomplished a huge milestone. And getting started up your first website at Wealthy Affiliate. Your website is the foundation to everything that you do online. And now you have the WA badge to show for it. Awesome stuff. So, I'm thinking here, right? This is something I would want to show every new affiliate, especially if they haven't gone premium yet. Get people onto the platform, get them building websites. You have a new person in any one of your affiliate systems. If you have a new person at Amway, you have a new person at Organo Gold, get them on here, get them on the web. Build a website within 30 seconds, right? Immediately. They're online. They're in business. And if you can get them seeing the value and actually earning an income from that website within 7 days, then they're going to be going premium. It would only make sense at that point. And chances are at that point, hopefully it's paying for itself. Sure, share with the feed community, view my profile. Yay. I have a website since 30 seconds. Great way to get a new I'm a MLMer. This is a great way to build a site for new downline and get them on the web in 30 seconds. Demonstrating your value to them and WA's value to them. I can see them going premium just based on this. I don't think I've seen anything like this before, actually. I mean, I could be wrong. I do remember building websites pretty quickly last time I was involved, or last 2 times I was involved. But where they send you an email, say do it in 30 seconds, and then boom, you're done. I don't think I've seen that before. So this is going to be a success post. I just feel successful with that. So that's one. CannCoder. Trying to get my name out there. CannCoder. What else? MLM. Health. Fitness. Two, 4, 5. I'm just gonna put because we were talking about before earlier, right? Some MLMer. Hey, it took me off my video. Yeah, I was watching that. Go back. And I hopefully can just, yeah, it started me at the beginning, but I'm going to go straight to where I was
now
at.
Is I'm going to walk you through this 4-step process and just show you how efficiently, there's 2 options. So it's available over 2,400 themes, 2,400, you don't have to worry about any of these technical elements. I remember when I first built my first website online, it took me over 30 days from start to finish to get a site that's inferior to the site that I just built up and running online. So you can imagine how far technology's progressed in the last 15 years, the time that I've been working within the online world. So here you're going to find a lot of details in relation to your site, including your administration details. So this is your login details, admin, and your password. You can reset your password, or you can click this button that will log you into your back office of your website. Your website URL is here. You can
Like, so when you're selling like your MLM, like for me it's KannaWay, I can tell people, hey, look, you can have your cannabis-based business online within 30 seconds, and then after that you're just promoting it.
You can see this is the website URL that I created, realdealaffiliate.siterebooks.com. If I click that, it's going to take me to
That is pretty
the
amazing.
website, which is live and operational online.
Because there's other services that do something similar. They're going to get you online really quickly, including Google sites. But these are general purpose websites, right? Everybody that's in this group, we're MLMers, we're affiliate marketers. We have specific requirements. And this is going to be already built and databases and everything. Boom, you're done. It's very focused on online business. That's why they can do it in 30 seconds and give you everything you need and have it completely optimized at the same time. There is no other place on earth that will give you that. I can't think of anything that will give you that. If you go to a consultant, they're going to sit down with you for at least an hour to figure out exactly what you're looking for, and then they're going to have to continuously communicate with this person to establish exactly how they're going to build your business. Because they do have templates, but nothing that's so specific, right?
Which is pretty awesome. Obviously, it's just blank content now. And you know, as we move through the training, we're going to be building out our websites.
I mean, if you want a way to invest your time and money and turn it into a passive income, this is how you do it. Time, money, passive income. Time, money, passive income. You can just use your time, spend no money. Or you can do both.
And then, you know, your admin login URL, if you wanted to manually log into your website, you're not going to need to, because you're going to be able to log in directly through this button into your back office. But this URL is here just so you know, and then your login details are up here. Down below is Site Plus. So these are add-on features to our hosting network and to our Site Rubik's platform here. One of them being site speed, which is premium only, and this can increase the speeds of your website by up to 100 times. And honestly, it will make your website run faster than, you know, any other hosting platform in the industry. This is proprietary technology that we've developed and spent a great deal of time refining. So this is you know, an amazing feature that you can simply turn on as a premium member, and it will enable site speed on your website. And you know, you can see how easy that is to set up. Site SSL, this is also available within the premium membership. If you have your own domain, you can't add it to .siterebooks.com domains because you don't own that domain. But you know, if you own domains, this is typically $50 in or around $50 per website. So this is included in your service for all the domains that you own. Site protectors. This is spam blocker. This is included in your starter as well as your premium service, and this basically blocks all spam bots trying to hit your site and drop spam comments, along with some other stuff on your site. So it protects your site from bots, basically, which are,
So I just want to pause this. If you guys are enjoying the content that you're getting here, please like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. That's a huge benefit. That's a huge help and support to this stream. Also, if you want to get involved with any of this stuff, you have the Wealthy Affiliate link within the description. Click on that. You'll be part of my team. And also, and remember, it's free to do the starter thing. And like he said, you can you get certain. You can do some of the basic stuff with that, and decide whether or not you like it. So try it before you buy it, kind of thing. Other thing is, if you want to get involved with the cannabinoid business, I have another one down there, KannaWay.CannCoder.com. It's a link in the description. Click on that, and we can work together with that. And obviously, with Wealthy Affiliate, you'll have an online store immediately, and you can start promoting it and building up your web presence right away.
Programs out there that try to abuse your site, try to hack your site, and also try to spam your site. So that's it's very good to have.
That is powerful.
Save you.
Because one of the things people do is they send out bots, these programs that go out and they will try to take advantage of your with the fact that you have a live forum on your website, and it shows you how powerful such a forum is, frankly, that these people would want to take advantage of that, and they'll basically kind of hijack it and try to use your forum to sell their product. So this will block that, and that's, I mean, where else are you going to find that?
A lot of time over the years not having to deal with spam. So, and then some of the other features here, some of them are premium, but these are the features that I have access to automatically as I built my site, and it's going to be installed with 2 different plugins: the all-in-one SEO pack, which we will be getting into, and image optimizer, which optimizes the images on your site. This is for setting up your site for SEO or the search engines. And these are feature extensions to your site that automatically come pre-installed with every website here at Wealthy Affiliate. And then if you scroll down, you can see what's included in the premium site Rubik's hosting. If you're a starter member, you'll see what's included in your starter membership, and you'll see the differences between the two down here. And if you ever need to delete your website, you can do it down here. If you're a starter and you build 2 websites, if you delete one, it will free up another one. And same with premium. If you delete a site, it will free up room for another one on your.
So I'm thinking it's a possible strategy is build 50 websites and get rid of the ones that are not doing so well and bring in some better ones. Like delete your least successful website, come up with a better affiliate product or MLM product, and or just general website, domain name, all that fun stuff, and just kind of evolve through these 50 sites that you have out there, and just try to perfect your product to be more successful online, to increase your passive income.
Hosting account. So that's the basic process of building a website. You can see how efficient it is, and how everything's pretty much automated for you, and all the additional features and that we have within the platform here, a state-of-the-art platform, to make your website fast, to make them secure, and to make them robust, so you can build very successful businesses off of our framework here at Wealthy Affiliate. So before I leave you today, what I want to do is I want to take you over to the site manager to show you around there, which is the location where you're going to be managing all of your websites. So before I leave you today, I'm going to take you to the site manager. When I come back, we will be there. So here I am within the site manager. To access this, you click the site rubrics menu, and again, you're going to go to this menu to access anything in relation to your websites. At the top here, you're going to see the site manager. Click that, and it's going to take you to the site management page, which is where you're going to manage all of your websites here at Wealthy Affiliate. It's also going to be where you log into your websites. If I needed to log into the site, I could click the login button. It's going to show me my admin and my password. I can reset my password, or I can log in by logging in here. Click the login button, and that's going to take me into the back office of my website, which is just going to take a second to log into. And you can see here I am within the back office of my site, and we're going to be getting into that in a lot more detail as we move through the training. But basically what you can do here is everything in relation to your site. You're going to be creating all your content, uploading all your media, managing comments. Your appearance can be managed and customized. Plugins, you can add new plugins here. There's over 45,000 different plugins that you can add to your website to extend the functionality and the make it feature rich. You can add new users. There's some import and export tools, and of course there's settings in relation to your site. So everything's going to be done within the back office of your website. So I'm going to close that. And here's a screenshot of my website. You're going to see backups up here. There's no backups yet, but backups are taken every 24 hours, so you don't have to pay for any backup services here. We take care of that on our end, and you can rely on our service to have your backed up versions of your website. So if you're a premium member, you can say, oh, I need a backup. My site's broken because I did something wrong to it, or I messed up, and we can get older versions of your website back up and running. It shows
That's
you
cool.
last updated date, so if you're working on your site, you'll see this date continually change. All the monitoring is on site performance, hacking, intrusion, file system monitoring. So we have a team behind the scenes actively monitoring all websites across our network. So you're in good hands with the monitoring your database, monitoring for hackers, all sorts of things. Up here you're going to see site health. This is premium only, but if you click view details, it's going to show you all the site health elements.
Okay, so I said I built this website, right? What am I selling? I'm selling Wealthy Affiliate. And so instead of saying hello world, let's go ahead and click on that. Can I edit that? Oh, edit that. Maybe there's an edit site. Oh, I just went to the actual link. Okay, so let's get out of that. Let's go to admin login. What the heck? Oh, admin. So I'm here. See, it says I have one post. Let's go ahead and edit that. It looks like I already have a comment, which is kind of weird. Hi, this is a comment. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go and delete this. I'm gonna delete that. Let's go back. Edit this. Right. Join me at WA. Join me at Wealthy Affiliate. So I'm currently assisting future entrepreneurs, prospective entrepreneurs I can't spell the word. It's a complete hack. Counterpanes. Business entrepreneur. What a hard word to spell, right? Online entrepreneurs looking to create passive income. Through the CannCoder YouTube live stream. And check it out. So I can go to my YouTube channel. So, you know, even people who are on Wealthy Affiliate can actually join my YouTube stream. And they might just do that. We'll find out. Well, you guys have to come back and take a look to see if I get any hits from that, right? Let's go home. So let's go to my channel. Everything before the question mark is what you want, especially if you're already logged in. Come back over here, and you highlight your name, my name. I'm going to highlight this whole thing, CannCoder YouTube live stream. I'm going to highlight this whole thing, really. I think I'll just go to CannCoder YouTube. I'm not sending them straight to the stream, I'm sending them to YouTube. And then what you want to do is you go to insert hyperlink, paste, boom, done. You have an online business. That's a referral link to my website, to my YouTube channel. You can talk to me live. In live chat or voice chat when I set that up. So join. Create your online your website store in 30 seconds. This website is an example of that. Now I'm going to put in my various links. So, in 30 seconds using the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Okay, so Wealthy Affiliate is going to be my link here. Let me grab the, let's get rid of that. Go to if link tracking. What is that? I don't get it. Wealthy Affiliate Program. I want to go to my links and tracking. We're just going to use the first one. I'm comfortable with that. So here, I'm going to use my Wealthy Affiliate link. For health and fitness, using cannabis supplements. So I'm kind of like all over the place. This is just a quick example of, I mean, it's not going to be the best setup, but it's just showing you what you can do in 30 seconds. You're up and running, you have a business, really. And actually, I already know my link on that, so I don't even know why I'm doing all that. So let's go ahead and we're going to highlight KannaWay, and we're going to create the link. We're going to make it a link to my KannaWay dot CannCoder.com. Done and done. So here's the thing, right? So if you're a Wealthy Affiliate member and you're going to get this post saying I just built a website in 30 seconds, they're going to look at my website, most likely this website here, and they have two opportunities they can get involved when if they decide to check it out. Well, first of all, they can check out my YouTube live stream. They can subscribe and like videos there, and then they can come down here to my KannaWay website, and if you know it's health and fitness using cannabis supplements kind of piques their interest, they can check out the site. And if they decide to buy anything on there, they're going to be using this my ambassador number, brand ambassador number, and any purchases they make, I get credit for. So boom, online business set up. A little bit longer than 30 seconds, but it's all set up with 3 different opportunities sitting on top of that. 3 different ways to earn a passive income. Also, if somebody shows up here and they aren't Wealthy Affiliate members and they click on this link and they sign up, I'll get credit for that as well. So that's 3 different opportunities. So 2 different opportunities for anybody in Wealthy Affiliate to become part of your passive income, and 3 for those who are not Wealthy Affiliate members already, and they want to use this platform to create a website in 30 seconds. So I can tell people, hey, go to this website. I can put this on a business card. Say, check this out. You want to learn how to build a website in 30 seconds, and have all the tools for doing that, optimized with security, databases all set up automatically.
So you can monitor this as you build out your websites, and these percentages will start to go up as you build out your website. which is awesome to watch because it's going to give you an overall pulse of your website and where you're at with that, and it shows you your number of pages, posts, approved comments, your pending comments on your website. So it just gives you an overview of these details. Google index. If as your site gets indexed into Google, it's going to let you know here. Obviously, because I just built this website, it's not going to be indexed yet. So it will say yes when it does, and this usually happens within 7 to 10 days. But
I want to go to the website and I just want to take a look at it. That's weird. I didn't update it, I guess. Let's update. F5 to see the update. There you go. Join me at Wealthy Affiliates. I am currently assisting prospective online entrepreneurs looking to create passive income through the CannCoder YouTube. Well, I can't. I guess you have to go to continue reading to get the links. Actually, let's go back. So yeah, if you want to see more, create your own website store. So you click on this, and now you have access to all my affiliate links. This is my YouTube channel. This is my Wealthy Affiliate link. 3 different opportunities right here. Boom. You guys saw me do that here live. So I'm going to take this link right here, and I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, go to this online stream, the website I created in 30 seconds. I'm going to put that at the very top. Boom. I'm going to call this one Build a Website 30 Seconds.
You absolutely will get indexed as you continue building out your website. You can refresh this. This will refresh all your stats here, but this is automatically done every time you come into the Site Manager. You can view your website by clicking here. You can use the Site Comments platform, which is premium only, by clicking here. Site Feedback, premium only, you can click that. You can move your website. So if I wanted to move this website,
I'm also going to say home business, develop web presence, see if that all fits on there.
from a .siterubix.com domain to my very own. This can be done literally with a few clicks of the button within the premium membership. And then back to the details page. If
I'm just out of time. You guys saw me change the title. I added my website in the description. You guys want to check that out. Also, yeah, I'm going to end this stream right at the end of this video because I need to get ready for work. I'll be closing tonight, so you probably won't see me for the rest of the night. But who knows?
click details here, it's going to take me back to that original page I was just on that shows you an overview of all the details in relation to your website that you've built. So that's the Site Manager overview, and I've walked you through the process of building a website and showing you how efficient that is. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this training, but if you of course have any questions, please leave your questions or comments below and I will be more than happy to help you out. Happy website building.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and come back eventually, and I'm going to add a comment. And you guys saw me before where I specified the location of a specific spot. I think it's around 30 minutes within the video, and I'm going to put that in there. You guys will see that a little bit later, hopefully before I go to work. In the meantime, I shall see you at the next stream.